Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shining bright like a diamond. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky.
So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do like a wear test Wednesday. I have a couple of items that I got from Sally's Beauty Supply, and I finally got the Morphe 3502 palette. So I wanted to kind of do a wear test, first impressions type of thing. So I already kind of started and forgot what I was doing. But I did go ahead and do my eyebrows. I did that off camera as well as concealed. So if you're in for a first impressions and a all-day wear test, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, click on the like, and let me know what you think at the end of the video. So I'm gonna do like a mini haul. Like I said, I do have the 3502 palette that we're gonna be playing with today. Also got this stuff from Sally's called Collab, and the guy was telling me that the Collab makeup was like a big dupe for the MAC makeup, but the only thing is I don't have a lot of MAC makeup to kind of do a battle of the two. But if y'all would like to see that, let me know, and I'm pretty sure I could get some stuff to kind of compare, do half a face type thing. But today we're gonna focus on just this new stuff. Of course, I will check in throughout the day, let y'all know how I'm feeling about it. And I did use my Nivea Men Post Shave Balm as a primer, because remember, if I seen primer at Sally's for this collection. So I do have the two Collab foundations. One is in matte, one is in bright and spark. I also got the Set the Stage ultrafine loose setting powder in, I guess this is in yellow, oh, almond caramel. And the guy told me that this is compared to the MAC loose setting powder, but I don't have it. I honestly didn't even know MAC sold a loose setting powder. I did pick up the Real Colors Stay and Spray makeup setting spray from that brand as well. I got two lip liners and a liquid lipstick and a lipstick, which the lip liner is called, this one is called Petal Pusher. It's a mauve type of brown that 9 times out of 10 I would like. And then this one is called Sorry Not Sorry. It's more of a brick brown. So I did only pick up those two because, Jesus, babe. Did only pick up those two because a lot of them were more of a lighter shade, and of course I don't think I would use those on my lips. The liquid lipstick I did get in a mauve color too, and it's a matte edition liquid lip color in the color Kink, which I think I'm gonna like that one. Everybody knows I pull towards the mauve colors. I feel like they look best on me. And I'm not sure why I got the lipstick, because lipsticks don't never stay on me long enough for me to enjoy them. So this one is the full body lipstick in the shade Yes Ma'am, which 9 times out of 10 I probably won't even use it. But it is a mauve color as well, and it's very pretty. And the only last thing I got was the angled foundation brush. Looks like that. And I am going to use it to put the foundation on, but I do have my Real Techniques body blender and my beauty sponge as a backup. So I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics brush 101, and I am going to dip off into Chestnut and work it also in the transition. So I am dying to try out this red and this orange, Sauce and Fire. And so let's go ahead and with that same brush, get in Fire and put it at the beginning of our eye, of our crease. I'm going back to Chestnut just to blend it out. Now with the smaller brush, which is the BH Cosmetics number 6 brush, it's just a smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna go into Brave and kind of pop that right there in my outer eyelid area. And I think I'm gonna take black, no, Wiz, it's called Wiz, which is the black color. I think I'm gonna go over it with that. Made a mistake, y'all. I've been dipping into Rich, so we're gonna continue to work with Rich and not Brave. This one here is more of a brown color than Brave. Brave is like a reddish brown. So with that same brush, I am gonna dip into Wiz a little bit just to darken up my outer V. I'm gonna cut my crease just a tad bit. I don't want to do a full-on cut crease, but I am gonna cut it just a little bit. So I did use my MAC 239 eyeshadow brush for that color Sauce. And now I'm thinking I should go in with that same brush in Ruby on the outer V. Going in with my defining eyeshadow brush, I think this is a CVS brush. I went into Sizzle and put that on my inner tear duct. we're back. So I did use the Meet Your Matte foundation in the color mocha, and of course it came off just a tad bit reddish. I honestly don't know if y'all actually seen it because my battery went dead, but I did use on my eyes, I did use the NYX matte liquid liner on top of my Lala Fox liquid liner and Maybelline times Shayla mascara. I'm about to set my highlights with the translucent, the yellow, no, the almond caramel. And I don't have a setting powder for my face, so I think I'm gonna go in with the translucent powder in medium deep. So to end this video of this portion, I am going to use Kink and Sorry Not Sorry. The highlighter I'm going to use is going to be a highlighter that was found on Instagram, and I learned about it through Ashley Devon here on YouTube, and it is the MTF Cosmetics in Tiara. AMaRee Beauty used it in one of her tutorials, and it was very pretty, so I had to get it. Hey you guys, what's up? So it is 6:55, so that means I have worn my makeup all day, and I didn't even retouch my lips, but as you could tell, my liquid lipstick has worn off. I have been drinking water all day, I have been eating, I have been talking, everything, so I expected to do that. But y'all, look at my face. Like, of course you can still see the bumps, y'all. I've been getting these breakouts for some odd reason. My crease lines are really not there. I mean, everything still looks pretty good. I have to constantly clean my face because, as you can tell, on this side I really broke out, but and on my forehead, y'all, look at this. Look at that. have creased up under my eyes a little bit. The makeup is still looking bomb. Yeah, I actually really like this eye combination that I did. But I just wanted to check in with y'all and let y'all know I do plan on wearing the foundation again, and I probably would try another wear test with the Bright and, what is this called? Bright Spark foundation, which is the healthy one. But everything else, you guys, I really like, and I am loving the 3502 palettes. And even though the lipstick wore off, I went a whole day with it. Like, it actually lasts a whole day. I think it started wearing off like after the second time I ate. So I was looking pretty good, girl. I was looking pretty good. And that highlight, y'all, the highlight's still there. The highlight's still there. Yes. So I would say pick up the collab collection from Sally's Beauty Supply, because that's where I got mine. That was the first time I ever seen it, ever heard of it or anything. So I advise y'all to go and get it. If you have any questions or concerns, please comment down below. And if you want a list of everything, check the hot box. Make sure you check the hot box for everything. And I will see y'all in the next Wear Test Wednesday. I'll see y'all in the next makeup tutorial or haul. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share with your friends if they never heard of collab. Maybe y'all could get it together and try it together. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss another video from me. Of course, you want to miss me. I'm going to leave it to y'all. Comment down below. Subscribe. Nah, subscribe, y'all. And I hope to see y'all in the next video.